There it goes, right there. Hunter, introduce your sister.
This is my sister Tatum. She's gonna be picking. She's gonna be choosing what she is gonna eat. And my dad tried to be savage. My dad tried to be savage at picking the onions, but no.
It's a taste test.
It's a taste test and
Trust
see
me.
how many she can get right.
Trust me.
And Hunter's next.
Tatum, you do not want to eat what my dad suggested.
All
I
right.
stopped him from doing it.
See if you can taste this first one in here, Tatum.
Where is it?
Open your mouth.
No,
Yeah.
I want to do it.
Here's it.
It's all.
It don't.
That's ketchup.
That's ketchup. All right, she got one right.
Okay, should we
All right.
get a new spoon?
That's nasty.
All right,
I think there's something.
she got one right. Let's see how many she get wrong.
Something inspired in there.
All right, here we go.
There's something. I think.
I
there's
don't
something-
like mayonnaise.
Okay, that's
It's
fine.
not,
Open your
trust
mouth. Open your mouth. Tatum, open your mouth. You're on video here. Open your mouth. What is that? What is that? What is that?
That's the fruit sauce.
I
Hmm?
don't think
That's the fruit sauce. I hate that.
All
I
right,
don't
all right.
think that that's the food
Here's a
stuff.
napkin, Tatum.
What is that? Mayonnaise?
It's not the food. It's
That's
not
not
the
mayonnaise.
sauce.
Get it off.
No, it's the fruit sauce stuff where you dip your fruit in.
It's whipped top. It's whipped cream. You
That's-
got that one wrong.
I like whipped cream, but that
All right.
tasted bad.
I want to
All right,
try
here-
whipped
here-
cream. You never let me try whipped cream.
Here you go.
Where?
Open. Oh, push that thing up.
I'm so this is so nasty.
All right. Here we go. Open your mouth.
Dad, where'd you even put that?
Open your mouth. Don't do that.
Trust me.
Oh, it's chocolate syrup.
Okay. You got two out of three. Hold on, I got one more. I got one more. Hold on.
Can I do it to it?
No.
Oh, come on. I wanted a savage, but okay.
Why?
It's fun. Don't be
Because
savage.
It's evil.
All right,
I
one more.
wanna do nothing.
You got two out of three. Last one, so you can get right.
That is
Okay.
expired. That's
You ready?
Yeah, I think it is.
Open your mouth.
I'm scared.
It ain't bad. It ain't bad.
Stop!
It ain't
Open
bad.
your mouth.
What is it? What is it?
Then-
What is it?
What is it? You can't spit it out.
What is it?
At the end.
What is it, Tatum? You gotta guess. Make a guess.
Do you want to see what those things were?
What is it, Tatum? Here's a napkin. What is it?
That's nasty.
Get it off your finger. Get it off your finger. What is it?
Tatum, do you want to see what we? What
No,
we
she's gotta guess. She's gotta guess that last one. What do you think it is?
What do you think it is?
That's nasty.
What is it?
No.
You don't know?
No. That's ranch.
Nope.
Nope.
All right, she got 2 out of 4 right.
That's
Hunter.
nasty.
That was ranch, or that was
Mayonnaise.
mayonnaise.
I hate mayonnaise.
All right, Hunter, you put the mask on. Your turn.
No.
No, we're gonna do.
All right.
Okay. Can I show what the things were?
Yeah, right here.
No.
Right here.
But I still
You got-
like that.
Stop. Stop. Don't show people on camera on how y'all do on off camera. Don't do that. That's nasty.
Abby,
Come on. All right,
I
Hunter.
am not doing this.
You don't want to do it?
No.
Huh?
I was just suggesting items.
I know, but you don't want to do that. You don't want me on camera.
No, but I want to.
That's unreal. That's
No,
you
but
don't
I-
want me on camera.
No,
Bye.
I